Today we're making a super easy apple pie cinnamon roll casserole. You'll start by opening up 1 can of store-bought cinnamon rolls. Make sure to hang on to the icing because we'll be using that later. Cut those into smaller chunks. I like the pieces to be on the smaller side, so I cut each roll into 6 pieces, but you could also cut them into 4. Once those are all cut up, you'll place them into a large mixing bowl and add 1/2 can of apple pie filling. Mix that all together until all of the cinnamon roll pieces are nicely coated. Pour that mixture into a greased 8x8 baking dish or a pie pan and bake it at 350 degrees for about 35 minutes. One of my favorite things about this recipe is how easy it is to double if you're going to be making it for a larger crowd. You'll just need 2 packages of cinnamon rolls and a whole can of pie filling, and you'll need to bake it a bit longer. You'll know it's done when the top and sides start to brown. Once you pull it out of the oven, you'll immediately drizzle on the icing that came with the cinnamon rolls. Be sure to check out our website at simplekitchendiaries.com for more delicious recipes. You can see why this is one of my favorite recipes to make for all of our family get-togethers. Scoop it out while still warm and enjoy either by itself or with some vanilla ice cream. It's perfect for an easy breakfast or dessert. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Enjoy!